For all the times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I'll be moving on. And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. When you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was with you and not them. And every time you told me my opinion was wrong, and tried to make me forget where I came from. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I'll be moving on. And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that
los refugiados, porque el terreno está inundado. Aquí no ha sido nada.
For all the times that you made me feel small, I fell in love, now I feel nothing at all. I never felt so low when I was vulnerable. Was I a fool to let you break down my walls? Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously.
Uy, papel a bater.
Talk to me, baby. I'm rolling up the mirror, sweet baby, whoa. Let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy.
Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean.
Walk for me, baby. I'll be pretty, you'll be now.
iPhone. Sí, es veu, però... Agafa la bici, Sembla que està parant, o sigui, és el moment de tornar. Parant, vull dir, no plou tant. No és que estigui parant. Pero estoy sufriendo hoy. Cambiártelo de algún sitio molón, pero no puede ser. Es que esta noche he empezado el Ramadán y tenía mucha hambre. Yo no lo he empezado, obviamente. Pero está todo cerrado. Tengo de comer, total, que me he encontrado un sándwich y una pompa. Y es que estaba en el jardín botánico y digo, ah, mira, aquí hay una cafetería cerrada. Ah, mira, aquí hay otra cerrada. Digo, mierda. Ahí hay un restaurante cerrado. Digo, joder, tío. Y me he encontrado como una tienda de souvenirs que venden sándwich. Y la mujer me ha dicho, ¿qué? ¿Tienes hambre? Y digo, sí. Me dice, está todo cerrado. Digo, ya. Me dice, yo també tinc molta gana, però no voy a comer esta noche. Yo, pobre mujer. Así que he hagut d'agafar dos rolls. Un de beef, com es diu això? Cerner, vedella. I l'altre de pollastre.
Hot damn, see you licking frosting from your own hands. Want another taste? I'm begging, yes, ma'am. I'm tired of all this candy on the dry land. Oh, waste time with the masterpiece. To waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me. You should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy.
Que ben alta i t'ho pren. Mira, ui, no us baralleu davant meu. Oh!
I'm rolling up on this sweet, sweet baby, whoa. Let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy.
Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean.
Walk for me, baby.
Walk for me now.
I'll be pretty, you'll be Naomi, whoa. Let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy.
Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean. Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean. Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean. Hey, so delicious. Talk to me.